missions here in Cambodia, including what I do with education, what other people are doing with feeding the needy, other people are doing with street animals. You can go to my PayPal and donate. You can join my Patreon. And if you don't want to do either of those things, go to buymeacoffee.com/DDC. There's no sign up required, and you can donate through there. All the money will be used for the purposes I just talked about. Now let's get on with the video.
What's up, guys? Taking a little walk around the new neighborhood. Thought I'd take you with us. Little area here, as you can see, has a whole bunch of street food and little shops. But this isn't the main mall. This is the one right next door to the Western International School. But the right up there at the intersection is like the big markets, I guess you could say, for this particular area. That's one we're going to go and check out. But it's nice to have all these other options available. Options are always good. I have been down here before. I made a couple of videos a long time ago from this area. There's a little market in here, but I believe this one is mainly clothes, shoes, and things of that nature. I don't think it's the main market for the
name
Sanitrai?
Yes.
Sanitrai is what she says the name is, so she would know. And I'm probably mispronouncing that. Probably not pronouncing that correctly. Sanitrai. Yeah. Alright. This one here? What is that one? Name? Oh, same thing? Oh, okay. So I guess it's the same market, just different portions of it. Like I said, that one back there has mainly clothes and stuff. This one you'll find food. A lot of sit-down restaurants here. Little pop-up places out in front. Places to get coffee, drinks, snacks. And it may be mostly clothes in here too. I don't think I've ever been too far inside. That's what it appears to be. So we still might have to go downtown for our grocery needs. I mean, the old market isn't that far away. I'm guessing it's about an extra 5-minute walk from where we previously lived. Yeah, because this one looks like it's all clothes, hair places, beauty supplies. Yeah, I don't see any kind of meat, vegetables, or anything like that here. She wants to go up this way, where there are shoes, purses, and clothes. That is where she wants to go. Lots of shoes. I guess it's, and purses. Wow. Look at all that. Lots and lots and lots. Racks and racks and racks. Actually, I think from here, trying to think of where I am to get my bearings, but I think maybe Sac Perlan would probably be closer than the old market. I'll have to verify on Google Maps to make sure. I'll check that out later. But still, never have to worry about running out of clothes, I guess. And you can still get something to eat if you want to sit down, enjoy your meal. But we do most of our cooking at home, so not the markets for us for groceries. I'll show you later, but she rearranged what little furniture we have in our new apartment. The one thing I can say I'm thankful for is that closet is built right into the wall, so it can't be moved. So that saved me one more heavy thing to move around when she was rearranging. So basically just the bed and the desk and the chair. There are a whole ton of little shops around here, little stores. But we're not really looking for anything in particular. Like I said, until we get a fridge, we're not really going to buy a lot of groceries. Just get what we need for the day. And also tomorrow we'll be going back, tomorrow or the next day we'll be going back out to that little village and bring them some rice and stuff to eat. A little bakery here. Yeah, she wants something from here. They have $1.50 for these little mini cakes. 25 cents for these. 50 cents for the buns. They got different kinds of breads for $1 or 50 cents. Not bad. Who doesn't love a good bakery? Yeah, you want it? Yeah. So yeah, that's right around the corner. It's called DIY Cake. Kids store across the street. More phone shops, of course, everywhere. One next door here, one next door to that, another one next door to that. Two of them right across the street. It's truly one of those mysteries about the town. I can't figure out how they all these phone shops manage to stay in business, and yet I never see any customers in them. And there are so many of them. Alright, she's got her little snack. And I guess I'm going to have to carry it. Hey. Alright. She was talking to one of the shop owners on our street about his Wi-Fi, and I think there was a misunderstanding. He has a smart TV, and he was saying that it was $300. I think it was a 36-inch or something. Smart TV. He was showing me what it does, and I was like, yeah, I'm familiar. But she was under the impression that it came with Wi-Fi for that price. Like, she thought the Wi-Fi was in the TV, so like you can just plug it in and get all the Wi-Fi and watch everything. So I had to explain that that's not how it works. We don't really need a TV right now. But we do still need a fridge, so we're going to make that a priority. Get the fridge, get the Wi-Fi, and use the cell card until we get Wi-Fi. And then maybe work on getting a cheap moto bike, just so that she stops complaining about it. Every time one of my friends gets their new bike, she gets jealous. Yeah, motorbike. But my buddy Mark, he did make a point. It's kind of a buyer's market right now for motorcycles and things. Everybody's trying to get rid of things. They don't have money to live, so they're getting rid of motorbikes and other electronics pretty cheap here. Except, of course, for the foreigners, who always seem to price their used items much higher than I would ever pay anyway. But you can find some extremely good deals on a good used motorbike right now. Oh no. You get ice cream too? Ice cream. Alright, it says my camera's overheating, so I'm going to turn it off right now, so I don't damage it. Talk to you guys later. Alright guys, it's a little bit late at night, but here's my new buddy. He comes up and sees me, just like the other dog did. He's a good boy. Huh. Yeah. He likes the lovin's. He's a good dog. Good buddy? Good buddy? Hey. 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 Yeah, he comes up and sees me when I'm outside here. You find friends wherever you go. And here's what Singlai did. Singlai, say hello. And here's what she did in the apartment. She moved the bed over there. If you remember, it was over here. And the desk was over there, but now she moved it over here. And the chair and everything is over there. Kind of using it as a table right now. As I mentioned earlier, I thought I'd show you what she did. They have a big family living here. I'm sorry it's all blurry. I love these traditional Khmer homes, the wooden ones. They're really nice, well built, and provide a bit of local flair to the area. Ain't that right, buddy? That's my new friend. I'm gonna find out his name tomorrow. I just call them all Buddy. Alright. Be sure to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal or join my Patreon or buymeacoffee.com, no matter how you choose to donate, you will be on my list and receive exclusive videos, pictures, updates, and more. And all your money will go toward the humanitarian effort you want it to. When you donate, just say, hey, this is for kids, feeding people, feeding kids. This is for education, etc. All right. I'm going to give the dog some more lovin's, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.